Do you want to create a background for your Nepenthes veitchii? We know it's a climbing species, but can you create something it will climb on and have a good vine at home? Let's see. You probably saw my species spotlight about Nepenthes veitchii, and in this video I said that it was a climbing species, not especially a pure epiphyte. So I really wanted to correct that. So that's going to be the first part of this video. Second part will be how to create a background like that, so the plants can climb on it and you will have a fantastic natural background and the plant will be happy. A few months ago, I said that I don't believe Nepenthes veitchii is a true epiphyte, because even if all the leaves and pictures are on the tree, they all come from the bottom of the tree, so the roots are very probably on the ground, so it's not a true epiphyte, but more a climbing species. And when we see the pictures, the roots are very probably in the ground, and all the pictures that you see, always the picture is sitting on the ground. So that's why I said that. Then, a few weeks later, I received a message, and Brian showed me some pictures, some plants growing directly on the bark, on the tree. He also sent me the link of this video. It's a beautiful lowland veitchii, and when we will see just in a few seconds where come from the growth point, the roots are not attached to the ground. They are in between two branches. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's really stuck in this, between those two branches. There is no picture under, no leaf, so clearly it's epiphyte. So now that it's done and said, we know it's a climbing species. So I have this beautiful veitchii, that's the BE one. I have another one that is best carnivorous plant, I believe. And this one is a new one. It's a seed-grown pink. So not really a brand, it's just a seed-grown. And it's recovering from shipping. It didn't like it, but it's recovering. And here we can see the growth point is pointing in this direction. So what we can expect is this will grow in this direction, crawl on the other plants. This one is pointing in this direction. So it will just come here and probably fall out of the tray. And this one is the good one, is going up. So that's great. What we want is to have this one that is going left and this one going left also, turn the pots or repot them, do whatever it takes, but you want them to point in this direction and climb on this wall. For that, I will have to take out this background and do something about it. It's curved, so I will need to, I don't know, fix it to something strong that won't bend, and then once it's flat, I can add more and have a full background. So first, let's do a test to see if my plan is working. Okay, it's a little bit dirty, but I will take this background out and use it somewhere else. Always careful, it will break the pictures are attached to this background. So this is a regular background. It's on Amazon. It's a flat one, flat, slightly curved, but that's probably because of the humidity. So I will fix that and then we'll have a fun project together. And if it's working, this one will start to climb because that's the one really close to this background. So this project is building a kind of ladder. You want the cork that will be fixed on it to be flat and something that you can move, extend, so the ladder is perfect for that. Then you will screw it. 5. I will show you the back and then you will understand why I put a screw in the middle. That's what will prevent it to bend, to stay flat, and that's exactly what I want for this. So again, I will be able to put 3 of them when it's done. But first we need to check if it's working or not. So I've put it back and it's pretty steady. it's not moving. It's strong, not fixed to the wall. It's just pressed by the pitchers, the plants, and the pots. And this one has been turned, and this one also. So they are all almost pointing the same direction. I will just have to force it a little bit. And I will add the 2 other cork, and we will be good to go. Really quick, if you're new here, I explain everything about growing Nepenthes on a windowsill or in a grow tent. So if you love pitcher plants, make sure you subscribe. Let's go back to the video now. Okay, so everything is fixed. And here it is. Not that bad. It's flat, it's yeah, I can fix something to prevent it to fall if ever, but that's not going anywhere. Everything is pretty good. I had to force it a little bit here, but yeah, soon everybody will start growing in this same direction and climbing there. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. That was not too much work, and it's not fixed to the wall, so that's good. I can take it out when I want. Now I just need to take care of this Spanish moss. It's pretty long, so I will probably be able to attach it back. Yeah. So that's great, but yeah, that's good, but not great. Everything is in one. I don't know for you guys, but it's just making a ball of moss, and it's a little bit too bad, and casting more shadow. So I will need to fix this. But overall, that's great. I will very probably, not very probably, depends of how much money I want to spend, but maybe in this other side, I could do it again. It's better because when I spray, it's protected, the wall is not wet, so that's cool. And it will look good, but that's gonna be for later. Let's see how it evolves in a month. So, a month is gone now, and yeah, it's climbing now. It's starting. This one also is starting, but not in the perfect direction. And the Spanish moss. Oh yeah, I fixed it. Not fixed it, but changed it. So it's not just one ball now. I put a little bit of bamboo stick and spread it. So maybe a little bit more artificial. I don't know, but that's gonna be cool later, when everything is grown properly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see the species spotlight about Nepenthes veitchii, here is a video for you. If you already created a background, or maybe a pole like a pylon or totem, like something to have the plant climb on it, let me know. And until next time, happy growing!